When you come down over here in season, you'll see a lot of action happening. Right now, unfortunately, we can't take a boat. The reason is quite evident for yourself. See for yourself. I tried, but it's very hard to row in this kind of terrain. Another beautiful day finds us at a beautiful place. This is the Pulicat Bird Sanctuary, and I'm standing outside it. And why is it closed? We asked the gentleman who runs this place, and he told us this very simple statements. He said, no rain, no water, no birds, no sanctuary, no travel, no sea, nothing. So I hope that explains it all to you. But what you have to do, first of all, is guess where I'm going to be ending up this evening. And if you guess it right, tomorrow I will announce your name and give you a big hand, like I'm going to do for my friends over here who guessed yesterday that I'll be stopping at Nellore. And they are on X, Harshvardhan Tandon _12. Well done. On Facebook, Harshvardhan Tandon. Hard to stop him when he gets going. YouTube, at Harshvardhan Tandon 8278. Can anyone jump in? Instagram, Prakhar Singh, at prakhar.singh.31. Well done. Way to go, Prakhar. So, guess right and I'll announce your names. But this is a 759 square kilometer bird sanctuary. It's a beautiful place in November, December, January, February. That's when the season is and birds from all over the world come in. But why am I standing here when I could be showing you wide open places? Let's go. What's so special about Pulicat Bird Sanctuary, you may ask? It's the second largest brackish water ecosystem in the country. It's huge. After Chilika Lake in Odisha, this is the second largest. Look at this sanctuary. What happens over here, when the rain happens and a lot of water falls in or the sea comes in over here, this entire area is covered with water. Perfect shallow water for a lot of waders. There's a lot of ducks that live over here. There's a lot of birds that come in over here. Flamingos are the highlight. People just love the flamingos. They come here to watch them. There's also painted storks that you can already see all over the place. Bring a camera along and you'll get memories for a lifetime with some great pictures. When you come down over here in season, you'll see a lot of action happening. Right now, unfortunately, we can't take a boat. The reason is quite evident for yourself. See for yourself. I tried, but it's very hard to row in this kind of terrain. So, Pulicat Bird Sanctuary only to be visited in the winter months after a good rain. That's where it's perfect. When you talk about bird brains, they're smart enough to know how to improve the quality of their life. And when we talk about quality, I want to talk to you about the quality of the product of Valvoline. Over 150 years of experience, they make a wonderful product that will elongate your engine's car life. It's very important that you do this when you're driving on the roads. The heat, the humidity, the difficulties that an engine faces when you're driving in conditions like this, where there's heavy rain and alternated by when the sun comes out, a lot of heat. That's when Valvoline really shows what it can do. We've been driving for over 700 kilometers now after leaving Hyderabad and coming all the way over here, and we've got a long way to go. And the car is purring. It is perfect because I put in Valvoline into my engine. And this is very important, whether you have a new car and you want to set it off on the right foot, or you have an old car and you want to extend your engine life. Valvoline really comes in handy to get the job done. When you see the beautiful green color all around here, think of nature. And when you see red and blue, think of Valvoline. And we are standing now at a place where Sriharikota is only 1 kilometer away. And Sriharikota is the home to the Satish Dhawan Space Center. Now this is one of two sites from where ISRO launches their satellites. If you want to go and see it, if you're a tourist, you can apply for permission on their online portal and you can actually go and see a satellite being launched into space. It's close to the equator, so this is a great place for launching satellites from here. And that's why this place has been picked. Apart from the fact, the drive to it is very beautiful and absolutely lovely. It's a wonderful place. It'll go down in the annals of history as being one of the very, very important places for India and for our movement into the next century or even progressing into this one. So come down over here, visit the Pulicat Lake, try and make it on a day where the satellite launch is happening and you get the best of both worlds.